Are you tired of buying kitchen gadgets that promise the world but just end up collecting dust? Today, we are settling the debate on which Ninja food processor actually deserves a permanent spot on your counter. I spent the last few weeks chopping, blending, and pureeing my way through Ninja's entire lineup to see what is actually worth your money. Stick around until the very end because my number one pick is probably the absolute last one you would expect, and it might just save you a ton of cash. Let me explain. Number 5. Ninja BN601 Food Processor. On paper, this thing looks like an absolute powerhouse with its 1,000 peak watts. I mean, you see 1,000 watts and you instantly think it will completely obliterate anything you throw inside the bowl. It comes with a 9-cup working bowl, which is a pretty decent size for standard family meal prep. You get the main chopping blade, a dough blade, and a reversible slicing and shredding disc. Well, setting it up in the kitchen was easy enough. The preset Auto IQ programs are actually pretty handy if you just want to push a button and walk away for a few seconds to grab another ingredient. I tried making a quick batch of fresh salsa, and it chopped the onions, jalapenos, and tomatoes reasonably fast. It handles basic dough decently too, though I genuinely would not recommend pushing it with really heavy, thick bread doughs too often. But here is where things start to go downhill for me. This machine is loud, and I do not mean just a little bit noisy. I mean you might want to warn your family before you turn it on in the early morning. The motor absolutely screams when it hits peak power. If you have an open floor plan, every single person in the house is going to know you're making hummus. You know, another thing that really bugged me during my daily testing was the cleaning process. Food naturally gets trapped in the handle of the processing bowl. 4. Ninja NF701 Food Processor. This is their XL model. They really bumped up the capacity here with a massive 12-cup bowl. It also features a more powerful 1200 peak watt motor. If you are cooking for a huge family or doing some serious batch cooking on Sundays, this size seems incredibly appealing right out of the box. I put it to the test by shredding block after block of cheddar cheese and slicing big batches of potatoes for a potato gratin. The processing speed is undeniably impressive. It powers through dense root vegetables without even stuttering for a second. The extra-wide feed chute is a really nice touch too, simply because you don't have to pre-cut your ingredients quite as much before dropping them in. And let's talk about the slicing disc for a second. While it definitely works fast, the actual results are wildly inconsistent. I ended up with paper-thin slices on one side of the potato and thick wedges on the exact same potato. 3. Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System, SS401. Now we are getting into the really good stuff. This is not just a standard food processor. It is essentially a complete kitchen system in one box. It comes with a 72-ounce pitcher, a specialized processing bowl, and nutrient extraction cups. It is specifically designed to replace about 3 different appliances on your counter. Here's what matters with the SS401. The versatility is genuinely unmatched. I went from making a super smooth green smoothie in the morning to mixing thick chocolate chip cookie dough in the afternoon, all using the exact same motor base. The base actually senses which attachment you have locked in and automatically adjusts the available menu programs. It is a brilliant little feature that takes all the guesswork out of your daily prep. I was honestly surprised by how well the processing bowl handled tough jobs. The chopping blades are incredibly sharp, and they're stacked, which means they chop evenly from top to bottom. You don't end up with watery mush at the bottom and giant dry chunks sitting on top. It made perfectly uniform pico de gallo in a matter of seconds. You know, a lot of these combo machines usually compromise on one function to be passably good at another, but this one genuinely excels at both heavy blending and precise processing. The build quality feels noticeably better than the previous 2 models I just talked about. 2. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This specific model has been around for quite a while, and there is a very good reason it is still incredibly popular today. It is essentially the ultimate workhorse of the entire Ninja lineup. You get the 1500-watt base, a huge 72-ounce pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and two 16-ounce single-serve cups. I mean, when you turn this thing on, you can literally feel the power vibrating through the counter. It completely destroyed solid ice for frozen margaritas in a way the other models simply could not match. The 8-cup processing bowl is the absolute sweet spot for size. It is big enough to make a full batch of pie dough, but not so massively huge that it becomes a tedious chore to clean in the sink. Let me explain exactly why I love the food processor attachment on this specific model. It handles heavy dough better than almost any other processor in its price range. I used the plastic dough blade to make homemade pizza crust, and the motor did not bog down a single time. It mixed and folded the dough beautifully in under 1 minute. It is an absolute lifesaver for regular home baking. The pure simplicity of the BL770 is its biggest strength. There are no overly complicated touchscreens or confusing smart features to break down over time. Just solid tactile buttons that do exactly what you tell them to do every single time. Ninja Express Chop NJ11JR. I know, you are probably thinking, wait, that tiny little 200-watt chopper beat out the massive 1500-watt kitchen systems? Yes, it absolutely did. And let me tell you exactly why this little machine completely stole the show during my testing. The reality of cooking at home is that 90% of the time, you do not actually need a massive 12-cup bowl. You just need to quickly chop half an onion, mince 3 cloves of garlic, or blitz up some fresh herbs for a garnish. Pulling out a giant food processor for those tiny jobs is incredibly annoying. The Express Chop holds 16 ounces, which is the absolute perfect size for daily practical use. Well, the design is brilliantly simple. The power pod sits directly on top, so there is no heavy base to lug out of a bottom cabinet. You just throw your ingredients in the little bowl, pop the motor on top, and push down to pulse. It is incredibly lightweight. I honestly found myself reaching for this thing multiple times a day simply because it was completely effortless to use and put away. And please do not let the 200-watt motor fool you. Because the bowl is so small, that motor is more than enough to completely obliterate whatever is inside. It minced garlic perfectly without turning it into a sad, watery paste. I even used it to grind up some hard chunks of Parmesan cheese, and it handled it flawlessly. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.